Imagine getting more done in 2 hours than most people do in a day. In this video, I'll show you 5 free AI tools that will take your productivity to the next level. No experience required. First, let's dive into ChatGPT by OpenAI. This tool helps write emails, generate ideas, and summarize articles. You can even use it for coding help. The free version is powerful and handles most tasks effortlessly. Next up is Notion AI. Built right into Notion, it automates your notes, meetings, and task tracking. Think of it as your personal AI assistant inside your planner. It streamlines your workload for maximum efficiency. Now, let's explore Perplexity AI. This tool outshines Google for deep research. It gives direct answers with sources and context. It's perfect for students, writers, or anyone looking to learn quickly and effectively. Fourth on the list is TTS Maker. This tool turns text into realistic voiceovers for free. It's great for creating content for YouTube, social media, or any voice-based projects. Enhance your presentations with ease. Finally, we have Durable AI Website Builder. You can create a full website in just 30 seconds using AI. No coding or design skills are needed. This is ideal for small businesses or personal portfolios that need a quick online presence. These tools are 100% free and incredibly powerful. Try them out and comment on which one blew your mind the most. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI secrets every week.